Want to save hours of manual work in Excel? Today I'll show you the three most essential Excel formulas, which are sum, average and count. These are the foundation of almost everything you will do in Excel. By the end of this video, you will not only know how they work, but also how to use them in real life situations like sales reports, expenses, or student grades. Let's jump right in. The first formula is sum. This adds up numbers in Excel. For example, here I have monthly sales from January to June. To get the total, I'll click in an empty cell and type the formula, which is equal to SUM sum. Then we will start the bracket. Then we will select the range which I want to sum. Like in this case, I want to sum B2 to B7. I'll select B2 to B7 and then I'll get the result after entering the enter button. Now, just like this, if you want to add cross rows and multiple ranges, I will select the formula equal to sum, start the bracket, and then we will select the range across columns and rows B2 to T7 in our case, and then enter. After ending bracket, we will get the result. Quick tip: so if you do not want to type the formula, just use the shortcut here, Alt plus equal to. The formula will automatically appear, then you just have to enter. We'll get the result. The second formula is average. It finds the mean of your numbers. Let's say I have student marks here. To calculate the average score, here I will type equal to average, then we will select the range B2 to B7 in our case. Excel quickly gives me the average. Now what happens if there are blank cells? No problem, Excel ignores them like this. But if there is a text in cell, Excel ignores that also like this. Only numbers are included. There is something to keep in mind. Okay, so let's see how the count formula works. Third formula is our count formula. For example, here I have the list of the scores again. So if I have to count this, I'll type equal to count, then select this range. I'll get the count of these scores. But here is something important. Only count numbers. If I want to count the numbers, I'll use this. So if here we have text here, so Excel will ignore this and it will give the count of only numbers. If I want to count all values including the text, if that, I'll use equal to count A and then select the range. Now it has given me 6 because it includes numbers and text both. So in this case, if there is a blank cell, it will ignore the blank cell and count the cells which are having numbers and text. So if there is a situation in which I want to count blanks, I will use the formula count blank, then start the formula and then select the range and enter. This will give me the count of cells in this range which is having blank. I mean nothing, neither text nor numbers or nor alphanumeric. These are super useful when working with large data sets. So today you learned the three most basic but powerful formulas in Excel: sum, average and count. Practice these on your own data and you'll see how much time they save you. In the next video, we'll cover autofill, flash fill and cell references, which will make your formulas even smarter. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and drop a comment telling me which formula you will use the most. Thanks for watching and you will see what we can discover in Excel with this formula. See you in the next video.